So today I'm sharing with you guys the 3 things that I did on YouTube to triple my income in 2020. Yes, you heard me right. Triple my income. So if you guys want to find out how I did it and how I used YouTube to build that business, then just keep watching. Before we get into this video, make sure you click that subscribe button and that bell notification and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more business related videos. But let's get into the real reason why you're here. And that is to find out what I did on YouTube to triple my income last year. So there were 3 main things that I did on YouTube. And it wasn't even just last year. The year before I did some of these and my income doubled that year. And then last year I did these and we tripled. So I definitely think that these things work and they not only help you grow your business, but I also experienced a lot of growth here on YouTube. When I first started this, I took my channel from having just under 2,000 subscribers to over 11,000 subscribers. Now I know in the grand scheme of YouTube, that's not like huge, but I will say that's pretty big, a pretty big jump in just a matter of a couple of years of just doing these simple little things that really helped my business grow a lot. So the first thing that I did that really helped grow my business and my YouTube channel was I started showing behind the scenes. A lot of people like to, I don't know, maybe you're not like this, but I'm curious. I want to know what people are doing, especially if it's something that I'm doing. So I like to watch other shop owners and see how they schedule their day and what they do with their time and how they make things. I like seeing all of that. So that was the first thing that I did. I did it completely by accident. I wasn't even thinking about it. I just was like, let me do this day in the life video about what I'm doing and how I'm making stickers. That video, I'm mind blown. It almost has, I think we're close to 200,000 views on it. And it's just like this silly little video that I filmed on a whim and just put up. It wasn't, there was no like thought process behind it. I was just like, this is what I do every day, so I'm gonna show everybody. Mind blown. So that not only helped get people to my shop to see the stickers I was creating, it also grew my YouTube. Like, I think most of you guys came from that video. Now, if you don't know the video that I'm talking about, I will have it linked down below for you guys. Definitely go check it out and let me know what you think. But that was the first thing. And when I noticed that there was a need for that or a want to see more of those videos, I started showing the day-to-day, the behind the scenes and what it was like to run a sticker shop. The second thing that I did was I started showing my products. So when I would have new releases, I started showing them. I started showing how I put them in the planner. People like to know that stuff. It's hard to get an idea of what the sticker kit is gonna look like in a planner just from a picture on Etsy. But if you were to do a video showing how you use your stickers in your planner, that's gonna help everybody kind of understand, oh, that's how she uses this, or oh, it fits perfectly in that type of planner. So I tried to do videos on how to use sticker kits in different planners as well, but I also just showed what I was planning for my week and how I was scheduling my time. And I think that that helped a lot of people, especially if they were interested in doing something like this. They really could understand how much time it takes to do this. And I think there's a greater appreciation when you kind of see how much work goes into something. And that again brought people to my shop. They wanted to see, well, what is she making? Well, you know, what other things does she have besides the sticker kit that she's showing in this video? The third and final thing that I want to share with you guys is something that maybe you might not feel comfortable with if you are a business owner. And I totally understand, but it is the one thing that really, really helped my channel to grow and my shop to grow, and it also provided another source of income, which I will talk about in just a second, and that is sharing how to do whatever it is you're doing. So if you are making soap, I've been watching a lot of how to make soap videos lately, but I've seen a lot of people show exactly how they make soap, exactly how they make bath bombs, exactly how they make lotions, or whatever it is that they are making, they're showing how they're doing that. And that helps because, one, it shows the process. It really helps people understand how much goes into it. It's more than just a behind the scenes of showing you. It's like an in-depth like tutorial of how to do something and showing exactly how much time it takes, exactly, you know, how much stuff costs. So I started sharing everything that I knew about making planner stickers. I started sharing my sticker paper. That is a big no in the sticker community. Like, you just don't share your sticker paper at all. Like, it's top secret, you know, people don't do it. But the thing is, like, I didn't care. I was just like, I just want to show you guys what it's like, because I know when I was starting out, nobody could like share that information. It was top secret, and the information wasn't out there. You could Google it, but it was very difficult to find things. It's a lot easier now, but I started sharing. I started sharing how I got my printer settings the way that I wanted them. I started sharing the printers that I recommended, the things that I thought would be best for making stickers. I started sharing all the supplies that you need. I really went into depth. I started showing how I design things. And eventually that led into building a full course on the subject. And if you guys didn't know, I do have a course on that. It is still, like, it's always open. I will have the link down below for you guys, but it is a full course from start to finish, how to design stickers, and then how you can turn that into a sticker shop. So I still have that course. It, you know, it definitely doesn't mean that if you open a shop you're gonna make like millions of dollars, but it's just showing you the different steps and the different supplies that you need and how to do things. So I was able to take all of that I used to put on YouTube and turn it into a course where all that information is in one place, and that was huge for my business last year. That was just insane, mind-blowing. I'm still mind blown over it. So because I started sharing it for free here on YouTube, it grew my YouTube, it grew my audience, and in turn, it helped grow my business, and I sold more stickers because people were seeing the actual process of how I did stuff. And like I said, I think there's a greater appreciation when you can actually see something being made. There's a greater appreciation for that and for the person putting in all of that hard work. So those are the 3 things that I did to not only grow my YouTube channel, but to grow my sticker shop. And like I said, I didn't have some crazy following to begin with. It's not like I had 1 million subscribers and I was like, I'm gonna do this and share this with everybody. Like, I literally had under 2,000 subscribers, and most of them weren't even watching my content that I was putting out. I would get like less than 100 views on videos. So you really don't need a huge audience. You just need to start sharing your knowledge with people and sharing the behind the scenes and sharing the products that you're making. And I really believe that that will help you grow your business, but at the same time, it's gonna help grow your YouTube, and they kind of go hand in hand. Those are my tips for you guys. I know not everybody feels comfortable doing that, and I totally get that. But if you feel comfortable sharing what you're doing, definitely do that. It's so rewarding, and it's gonna help you grow. And my very first behind the scenes video, I'm not even sure I showed my face at all. Like, I literally was just showing what I was doing. So you don't even have to get on and show your face if that doesn't make you feel comfortable. You don't have to share where you get supplies. That's just for me, that's what I did and what really helped my channel and my shop grow. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, I get it. There are things that you don't want people to know, that it's secret. You spent a lot of time researching. I totally get that. But if you feel comfortable sharing, in my experience, it has only helped grow my shop. It like didn't hurt my shop. You know, I would get comments like, aren't you worried that it's gonna hurt your shop or your business? But honestly, it helped my business grow. That is why I, in the year of 2019, I doubled my sales. In 2020, I tripled them. Like that, I think that that is exactly why, because I've just been open and shared stuff. And not even because I wanted my shop to grow, because I didn't know it was gonna grow from this whenever I started doing it, but more just because I wanted to share my knowledge with you guys, and I wanted to share because I know it's really hard when you're trying to get started and when you really want to do something but you can't figure out how to do it. That's why I started sharing, and it just happened that because I did that, everything else kind of grew. So don't be afraid to share things. I mean, like I said, if you don't feel comfortable, totally get that, but don't be afraid to share things because you're worried that it's gonna hurt you. All right guys, so those are the 3 things that I did to not only grow my sticker shop, but I also grew my YouTube at the same time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you have anything to add to this video, if there's something else that you think that you should do on YouTube to help grow your business, let me know in the comments below. I'm always open to hearing what you guys have to say. But also there are other people on this channel who want to know how to grow their business. And I feel like these tips are really helpful for anyone out there selling a product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any tips or tricks letting others know. Definitely share. And don't forget to click the subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos like this, and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified right when I upload. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.